Just wanted to let you guys know before I start the video that I do have a gaming channel up, and I do upload to it when I can. I do upload my Twitch streams, which I do stream. You guys can check out the Twitch channel up in the cards right now. And honestly, if you guys want to go subscribe to the gaming channel, just click the link in the description below and you guys can subscribe to it. I will try to start uploading actual videos on it. I just got to actually get the time to record and edit a video. I do have some BCDOJ RP videos from FiveM. I have a couple of Call of Duty Cold War videos. I think I have a couple of Modern Warfare videos here as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see me upload more on the gaming channel, just go show some love to the channel and enjoy the video. Hey, what is going on guys, Sergeant Tech Tips, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install FiveM to your computer. You will need a valid and legal version of Grand Theft Auto 5, and I can show you how to get that. You can download it for free if you want, if you can find a way to get it for free. Just would not recommend it since it's such a large game, and you're either going to have to do it through torrent, or you're going to have to download a zip file, and just trust me, it's a headache. But you can actually get Grand Theft Auto 5 right now on Epic Games. You can download their launcher, or you might already have it. It's $15 on Epic Games, and on Steam, it is on sale for $14.80 as the time of this video was recorded, which is February 2nd, 2022. So this sale could end at any point. So to install FiveM, all you got to do is go to this website called fivem.net, or I'll leave a link in the description below. I will also leave a link in the description below to the games on multiple platforms, and I'll leave a couple links to like CD keys and G2A. You can get cheap keys on those websites. So once you get to this page, you're just going to go here and click Download Client. It's going to ask you to read the terms of service. Not actually everybody reads those. You just click Sure, I agree, or you can read it if you want to. Then just go ahead and click Save. It'll save it to your Downloads folder. And then to download it, you just go to your File Explorer down here. Now, if you have Windows 11, it's going to look like this too. The icon might look a little different, but as of the time of recording this video, that's what it looks like. Just go ahead and go to your Downloads folder, find FiveM, double click it. It's going to say Updating FiveM, and then you can just go ahead and let this do its thing. Then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to find it's going to obviously say, select the folder containing Grand Theft Auto 5. Now, I actually have mine installed in Steam, and if you don't know where that is, you can go to your C drive. If that's where you have it installed for Grand Theft Auto 5, you can go to your OS, go to Program Files x86. You're going to scroll down until you see Steam. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Steam Apps, and then go to Common. And then it's going to be right here in this folder. And you just click on Grand Theft Auto 5, then click Select Folder. Now, I have it installed on a secondary drive where all my games are installed. So, for example, I'm going to go to my game drive, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, scroll down till I see Grand Theft Auto 5, click that, and then click Select Folder. What it's going to do is it's going to verify the game content. Now, if this thing pops up, it's going to say the local FiveM data is outdated and needs to be updated. This should not pop up for you, but it might. When I first installed this, because I had to uninstall it for the video, this did pop up. So if this pops up, just go ahead and click yes. This might actually take a second. It's downloading 162,000 megabytes, so that might actually take a second depending on your internet connection. Then once it's done doing that, it's going to say starting FiveM, and then it's going to launch it. It is going to connect to Rockstar services. If you have that problem, I don't know why that pops up, but anytime you first launch FiveM, it gives you an error, and then what it does is it still launches FiveM. I have no idea why. You may not have that issue, but personally for me, I have had that issue with Rockstar. And then once you're done, it is going to ask you to log into your CFX.RE account. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Then once you're done logging in, it's going to tell you that your account is linked. And to make an account, I will show you how to do that as well. Just go ahead and click continue. And then this is FiveM. To play a server, all you got to do is click here to play. You can actually search servers up here. A server I recommend, it's not like extremely good roleplay, but it's a server I started on when I first started playing on here. But this is Blaine County BCDO JRP. I would recommend going to this server. They usually have a good amount of people in there, and you can sometimes get pulled over, and it's a really good role-playing experience. Now, if there's anything else you guys want to know about it, if you go to your settings, it'll actually show you your linked identities. So this is your CFXE account, or I don't even remember what it's called, your Discord account and your Rockstar account. Now, if you guys want to make a CFXE account, I can show you how to do that real quick. So this is a website it's gonna bring you to. All you got to do is go up here, and you're going to click Create Account, and then it's going to follow you. It's going to help you step by step on how to make an account, and then that will help you log into your FiveM. But yeah, guys, that is how you install FiveM for Grand Theft Auto 5. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please drop a like. If you guys thought this video was horrible for whatever reason, please drop a dislike. Please share this video to other folks out there who enjoy playing FiveM or have never played FiveM and they don't know how to install it, it's actually a really simple task. You guys can actually play the story here too. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace.